Miss Pagadian City is also one of the strongest candidates that we are seeing here. Upon on looking her on stage, she looks very confident, sashaying, and then showcasing whatever dresses that she will actually put on. And just tells us that she can carry out everything, whatever dress that you're going to give her. Miss Pagadian City will be able to wear it with poise, with a lot of poise and grace, and she has no problem when it comes to walking. At this point of time, she revealed that she has never attended any kind of pageant. And so this is her first time, but upon reviewing her performance during that stage, we were not able to notice, or it's really unnoticeable on the part of Miss Pagadian City. We can never tell that she's a neophyte in that particular event because her performance on stage was really spotless. It was the performance level is so high, and she's really graceful walking the stage, and the grace is there, the smile is there, so the confidence speaks a lot about her performance. You can never underestimate or belittle her performance on stage because she performed well during that night. Although she says that she doesn't have much experience when it comes to pageantry, when it comes to beauty contests like that. But I'm pretty sure that Miss City will be able also to reach the top. So again, just like I said, that this year it's going to be a top fight of these voluptuous ladies, these beautiful ladies vying for their elusive dream, their dreams of their lives of the Miss Sambuanga Resort. So congratulations to Miss Pagadian City.